Hello there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Matthew and it's Matthew's Technology YouTube channel. 61 subscribers and growing. I'd like to get up to 800 subscribers by 2027. May 2027. 800 subscribers. This video is about my radio station. I've supposed to broadcast to the whole of Tokoroa by 2028. It's been pushed back to 2032. What's holding me back? The radio license, the equipment, the transmitter, the mixer, the microphones, surge projector, 2 computers, and all sorts. And I'm making the aerial to broadcast. For the aerial, I'm using a copper pipe for broadcasting. So once I get permission to get the copper pipe outside, I have 2 wires. One wire going down to Earth, the aerial, and one wire going to the copper pipe. And I need to buy about 60 meters of coax cord, so it goes to my bedroom and I transmit. And yes, it'll do the whole Tokoroa. But there's another thing that's popped up. The equipment. So the transmitter I'm buying is 7 watts, which will do Tokoroa. The transmitter I'm going to build myself will be about 100 watts, which will do Tokoroa, Vataru and T-Rail and Rotorua. So if you want to see me on here, just email me, pearsonmatthewjohn@gmail.com. So the email address is PEARSONMATTHEW John JOHN@gmail.com. Or if you're going to Activate Church Tokoroa, you can talk to me at Men's Fellowship or prayer meeting or the church service. Yes, this Sunday I'll be recording Activate Church worship practice and church service, then upload to YouTube. So yes, it'll take me 2032 to buy the mixer, which is $632 at the Rock Shop. Then I have to buy 4 microphones, including microphone cable. It's looking about $4,000, which I don't have. And I also have to buy a surge projector for the mixer and transmitter. I need 2 desktop PCs, one for my YouTube channel and recording records on the hard drive or solid state drive, and 1 computer strictly for broadcasting. Now, someone said I could get a second-hand Ryzen 5 with dedicated graphics, keyboard and mouse, speakers, 2 screens, power supply with Windows 11. They also said that it will have about 32 gig of memory for Windows 11 and about 8 gig for video RAM. And storage, Samsung solid state drive, about 14 terabyte I need, and a Blu-ray writer and a DVD writer. A lot of equipment, doesn't it? And then after that, I have to get a radio license because the transmitter will be more than a watt. So the radio license will do about 350 watts of broadcasting power. Once I got that, I'll get the 7 watt for starters. Then I'll get 100 watts in further. Then I'll get 350 watt. I'm going to be also broadcasting on AM. What is AM? Amplitude modulation. What's FM? Frequency modulation. So I'm going to build an AM transmitter and I'll be broadcasting on the end of the spectrum, 1650 AM, but if that's used, I'll use 1700 kilohertz or 1800 kilohertz, depending if they build receivers for that. If you like my videos on YouTube, please give a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. This is the end of this video. So it'll take me 2032 to pay for the mixer, microphones, surge protection on the aerial and equipment. Also, I have to buy codecs, lead, all sorts, and 2 computers, dual screen, for $990 each. It says what I need, and all sorts. Like, comment, and subscribe. I really want to broadcast as a hobby radio station. Yes, you heard it. I'm a hobby radio station. I want to broadcast to all of South Waikato, so Tokoroa, Bataru, Tirau, Rotorua, Taupo, Tauranga, and as far away as Cambridge. Like, comment, subscribe. The power is yours.